Hi all. So today we all many of us gathered today here at MLOps workshop started by IMNEO team here at Coimbatore. So as part of this workshop, I was very happy because this event itself is happening here around Coimbatore. I have never attended any data related event in and around my home area. This is very encouraging and expecting more events like this. And to talk about this event, the instructor came and clearly explained about the workflows, and he demonstrated every part. So, and most importantly, the Q&A sessions with him was more interesting, and everyone was open to us. Especially the networking was so awesome. I work as remote employee, but coming here and meeting with people encourages everyone to share their knowledge, which was very awesome. And thanks for this event, and I hope many events such like this comes up in the future. Thank you.